Okay, so we're up a number of pips here. I'm going to start slowly taking them out. So let's put our deal map on. Okay. So 3 taken, and wait for a push up to the pivot. I think there we go. So I'll close those. Done. Okay, beautiful. And that's it. And here's our pips for the day. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, about 77 pips. As you can see, this is a 5-minute chart, and it is a live chart, a live account you can see up there. And so we're done for the day, and that was in about my entry was, as you can see, at the lows down here. So 15 minutes and we're finished. Okay, so we then took it south, and we're up 34 pips on 2 positions. So if I zoom in, we can actually see where we bought from the bottom and rode it up, and then sold the top and watched it come down. So there's our buy positions and there's our sell positions. Still to open. I'm going to take another one very soon. Let's just go back and look at the 5-minute chart and see what's going on. Possibly we're breaking another level there. But I'll take out another position there. So okay, alright, so there we go, that's added to our positions. So previously, so that -2 was earlier in the day. So previously we had these ones here, and then we added another 2, 3, 4, so another 40 pips. So that's not too bad. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, just over 100 pips, and in about an hour, and still one position open for lower down. So let's look to get to the bottom of this range, and so actually move my take profit up. So from where we are now, from the opening entry, we're looking at about another 80 pips. And there we go, moving down strongly now. So we're up 21, up 22, and yeah, we're collapsing really nicely. So that's how we do it, guys, and get in touch with us, and we'll teach you how to trade like this also.